Hi guys! Today we're going to react to Usad by Pablo. This is Nini and welcome to Nyami. Okay, so as we have mentioned before in my previous reaction to Dahon by Justine, I'm really looking forward to this music. So we're down to three members of SB19. We had Sofer for Ken and Justin's Dahon, and now we have Pablo, our Pinuno. So we are really seeing them now on their solo eras, and I'm very excited, especially that I have seen that Pablo just held his the middle concert and he performed a worship song. What a beautiful name! And my one of my ultimate bands, Paramore's Last Hope. So I'm very excited to what Usad is going to be. I've heard some clips of it during the busking session in VGC, pero hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan ng buo. As in, clips lang talaga. So, let us see. Let us go straight to the video. Okay, by the way, this is a lyric videos for those who's just going into Pablo's musical categories, catalog, I mean. So, this is a lyric video. So, I'm thankful kasi lyric video siya kasi I really want to read the lyrics talaga when it comes to Pablo kasi Pablo makes masterpiece. So, Usad. Usad is like moving forward. Parang ganun. It's giving gospel. Very churchy. I like it. Very gospel lang ano niya, Usad. So, parang from Laon and Alon, parang ito parang very, I think, from the intro pa lang napaka-hopeful compared to the Alon na talagang super depressing, and then Laon which is hindi siya hopeful on its sense, but it's like you're deciding to move forward, pero talaga yung Usad is like the the actual moving forward. I hope that makes sense. I like it. It's very, very chill. So I like chill music. I mean, not all the time. I also like, very upbeat songs. But when I am in that mood to focus, I really like chill music. So I think this will go straight to my playlist. And the beginning lyrics, it's very relatable. Yung paminsan, you're making coffee for yourself, pero biglang lumalamig na lang because you're doing something else, or you're getting out of focus. Okay, for those who didn't get it, di ba kailangang may baliktarin? Kasi in the Filipino sense, we believe that when we get lost, we need to flip out our clothes so that we will find our way. It's like a superstition. Yeah. So yun yun. Di ba kailangan may baliktarin? So parang the very beginning of his song, he's talking about being lost. But I'm hoping na the following lyrics will be something, rising up from the ashes type of thing. This is like a big trajectory from Akala, 'di ba? Kasi dun sa akala parang talagang ano eh, it's a very different theme compared with Usad kasi with Usad starts with, oh, I'm like this, maybe I'm lost, but there's this hope that eventually I will get past through all these problems, all of these, struggles that I am experiencing, all of this loneliness and whatnot na nararanasan, eventually mauusad din. So that's very good and very realistic kasi gano'n naman talaga ang buhay, 'di ba? Siyempre, ah, problem is normal. It's normal to face trials. But tayo yung pipili sa sarili natin to tell ourselves, to give ourselves hope na alam mo yun, na eventually everything will be fine. So, yeah, ang ganda ng, ang ganda, ang ganda, hear yun. Tila, ako'y naliligaw na rin. Kailangan may balik na rin ng aking sarili. Anak ko nagmamadali. That's very Christian coded, 'di ba? The fact na kahit nahihirapan ka, you're still being thankful kasi alam mo na lahat naman 'yan ay binibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon para because God knows na kaya mong lagpasan yun. So, uh, I love that Pablo is using his platform to spread awareness of that, to spread the word of God. Kahit na napaka-subtle lang niya. Pero Pablo always makes sure that there's a touch of God, diba? Touch of God. Nagpapagamit siya kay Lord. So, sana ma-bless palalo si Pablo. And I love the vibe na ang background is yung busking niya kasi parang napaka-personalized, 'di ba? Napaka-personalized, napaka-intimate ng dating although it's public, pero yun yung feeling, 'di ba? Parang it's very personal, very intimate. O, 'di ba? So now you know bakit ang ganda ng mga part din ni Stel sa SB19 songs. Kasi Pablo can demonstrate it to him. He's a great, 'di ba? Kaya niya mag-demonstrate yung kaya niyang gumawa ng demo para magawa din ni Stel magkaroon ng sariling spin system dun sa kanta nila sa SB19. That's something that Pablo can do. So, hindi dahil nag-rap siya, he's always growling kapag kumakanta siya, hindi niya na kayang abutin yung like, duh, he's making the demos for all of the members. So, imagine mo na lang, he's also making demos for Ken, although, Ken has a different texture of his voice. Pero, Pablo can demonstrate it. Pablo can sing the house down boots. He really can sing, and I hope that people can see that. And the fact that he was a guest in Dingdong Abansado's concert, he sang ballad, which is ballad in a way that it's not. SB19 coded ballad, but very normal OPM, uh, which is not normal for other music industries, but for the Philippines is very normal. You know that type of ballad, something that hindi nakikita masyadong public with Pablo. But I am happy that he is showcasing his vocal abilities here, na hindi lang siya nakikita as rapper, as you know, as that hype performer, but also a very good vocalist. Kasi you shouldn't sleep on this talent kay Pablo talaga. I didn't watch the videos yet nung some the middle, but I think this would be like a good final song. This will be a good final song kasi parang there's a part like you just want to clap, you know. It's very hopeful, it's very positive, like ending the song with this song. It doesn't make you feel bad that it ended. Instead, you're hoping for like a follow-up concert, you know, follow-up concert, and seeing more performance of Pablo in the future. So a great ender, I think. Hey, Pablo. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys again for the next video. That's it for today. Bye bye.